Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Waddling Willow and Garden Game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, I could unlock this Waddling Willow and I got the seed from the previous event, which is the Wally Wrapper event. And one of the rewards is the Waddling Willow seed. Let me show you. Look at this one. And I've already planted this plant in my garden, guys. And this is how the Waddling Willow looks like. And this is the fruit. And I'm going to show you how much this is worth. Is it worth to keep in our garden or not? I'm going to click on this menu. Okay, it's around 200k shekels. So I think it's worth it, guys. It's almost like the candy blossom. I mean, the value is similar to the candy blossom seed, but this egg fruit is higher than the Waddling Willow. Okay guys, and that's all about the Waddling Willow seed and Grow a Garden Game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!